Hello there, welcome back. So the month of August is jam-packed with new smartphone launches, and while the focus is mainly on the Galaxy Unpacked event, there are phones from other brands which are quite interesting to say the least. One such smartphone is from Motorola, the Moto X30 Pro. Motorola has shared some of the images of the X30 Pro that gives us our first official look at the design and also confirmed that it will be first smartphone in history to be able to flaunt a massive 200 megapixel main camera with 1x1.22 inch sensor. Now whether that's a gimmick will be known only after the launch, but nonetheless that's something you should keep your eye on. It will be accompanied by 50 megapixel ultra wide angle shooter and 12 megapixel telephoto zoom camera. On the front is a massive 60 megapixel camera. Samsung on the other hand is eyeing a 200 megapixel camera sensor for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, slated for an early 2023 arrival. So looks like this year it's only Motorola that's gonna come with 200 megapixel lens. It will also come with 125 watt gallium nitride fast charging support. For those unaware, gallium nitride chargers are way more power efficient, compact and powerful when compared to traditional chargers. For now, the phone is rumored to come with 4500 mAh battery capacity. It is going to be powered by Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC paired with up to 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, and launches with MyUX based Android 12 right out of the box. Finally, coming to the design and rest of the specs, it has a curved display with a selfie camera in the front center and the fingerprint sensor is present under the display. On the right side next to the volume rocker is a power button, and the Motorola logo is located on the curved back panel which houses triple camera units. As for display, it's said to come with a 6.73-inch Full HD Plus POLED panel and 144Hz refresh rate. Well, that covers everything that's been leaked and promoted by Motorola, except for the price, which we have no idea about, although some websites mention the price to be 71,000 rupees, around 899 euros or $910. On a different note, Motorola will also announce its next foldable Moto Razr 2022 on the same day as Moto X30 Pro. The new Razr is expected to bring a host of improvements over the previous two models, so do keep an eye on this as well. With that said, we are at the end of this video. Thank you for watching and catch you in the next one.